In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Google domain to Google Workspace. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. It's going to be very easy to follow. So let me show you what you need to do. So first, go to Google Workspace, go to your account on the left here, then go to domains, then go to manage domains. And from here, we can add a new domain. You can see I've got domains added already, but you want to click on add a domain. Now you need to enter in your domain name. So to do that, go to Google Domains, go to manage domains. Now this is working currently because Google Domains is still active, but it is moving to Squarespace soon, so I will make an updated tutorial. But if your Google Domains looks like this, then you can add it, right? So we're going to use this domain, tutorial guide on youtube.com. So I'm going to copy the domain and then going to go back to Google Workspace, paste in this domain. We're going to add it as a secondary domain. We can then add domain and start verification. Okay, so once you've added your domain, I had to choose another domain because that domain was already being used for something. So I went with streamingmadeveryeasy.com, which you can see I've got registered here in my Google domains. So I'm going with streamingmadeveryeasy.com. So what I need to do now is go to this step and it's going to ask me to verify. So I need to sign in to Google Domains just to verify that I own this domain so we can actually connect it and everything can be all good. So I'm going to sign in to verify. It should then ask me to sign into Google Domains. And you can see here, it recognizes my account, recognizes the domain, and it's going to then add the TXT file for us, which is going to tell Google Workspace that we own this domain. So we're going to click yes, connect, and there you go. It's now connected. We can now go to Google Workspace. This should then redirect us. It's going to then verify the domain here. And once it's verified, it will then be added. And you can see here, streamingmadeveryeasy.com, secondary domain verified. So that's how you can add Google domain to Google Workspace.